What's up, Sunny fam? My name is Dominique, and welcome to your 15-minute dumbbell full body HIIT workout today. The way this one is going to work, we're going to go through a quick warm-up. We're going to focus on 5 exercises. We're going to break it up into time today. So we're going to work for 40 seconds of work, going all in for 40 seconds with those dumbbells, taking a 20-second rest to recover, and then right into that next exercise. So essentially, we only have one set through each of these exercises. We take it right back to the top. So there is 3 rounds today, no rest in between the rounds. We take it right back from the top. Are you ready to do this? Let's go, baby. Let's get warmed up. We're gonna take that inchworm. So go ahead and roll those shoulders back, shake off your day, your evening, your night, whatever happened right here before you join this class. Let's go ahead and walk it out into that inchworm. Take that nice high plank. Inhale, exhale, press it up. Let's go ahead and take a little squat here. Perfect. Right back down. All right, can you start to add a little push up here? Nice. Perfect, taking it back. If you need to come down to the knees for that push-up, go ahead and take it, take that squat. Let's go, take it back down. Let's get in another push-up. Take it to the knees if you need to. Press it up, right into the squat. One more time right here. All right, feel that heart rate start to elevate. You got it. Nice big deep push-up. Right back up, squat it out. We're gonna take some little lunges forward. So take that right foot forward, twist towards the knee that's forward, alternating sides. Take it forward, twist, in and back. Forward, twist. Beautiful. Start to inhale, start to exhale. You got this. Front knee behind those toes. One more each side after this. You got it. Take it forward, twist. Last one right here. Take it forward, twist, in and back. Go ahead and shake that out. We're gonna take those good mornings. So hands come behind the head, feet right under those hips. Push that booty back, nice and flat. Exhale, take it up. So we do have some RDLs with those dumbbells today. Just wanna get those hammies nice and warmed up. Beautiful. Push the booty back. Nice work. Let's go about 3 more right here. Last 2. So we are using those dumbbells today. So go ahead, inhale, exhale, last one. Shake that out. Grab those dumbbells. If you wanna grab a couple different weights, a couple different sizes, you could start light and then add into those heavier ones, or start heavier and drop it if you need to. All right, go ahead and grab a quick sip of water. Get your life together and let's do this. All right, you guys, that first set, before we get started, I'm gonna walk you through it. We're going to an RDL, so push those hips back. Right here, take that booty down. Nice big squeeze up. Sorry, booty back. Nice big squeeze up. Take it back down, keeping that back nice and flat, rowing like you're putting those dumbbells in the pocket. All right, here we go. We pick it up in 3, 2, 45 seconds here, 40 seconds here. Take it down, big squeeze. Take it down, nice row. Perfect. Just like that. Try to really protect that neck, that spine. Squeezing that booty at the top. You can move as fast or as slow as you want here, keeping that perfect form. Nice work, you guys. That's it, keep breathing. This first round, we're just getting that movement down. Second, third round, we're building into that intensity. You got it. We're here for the last 3 seconds. 2 and 1. Take that rest, recovery. All right, you guys, that next movement, we're gonna take those dumbbells right to that shoulder level, tuck those elbows in. We're taking that squat to an overhead press. All right, so shake those legs out. I'll show you and then we'll get started. You're gonna push the booty down, exhale, arms come up overhead. We pick it up in 3, 2, let's go. Nice deep squat, big press overhead. If you need to break it down, come up, then press it over. Nice work, let's go, take it down. Press it. Can you make it one fluid motion? Yes, you can. You got it. Inhale, exhale, press it up. Utilize that breath. Big inhale, big exhale as you press, that's it. Let's go, keep going. Nice work. Yes. That's it. So close to that finish line. Last 10 seconds right here, take it down. Beautiful. Last 3, 2, and take that rest. All right, you guys, if you need to drop the dumbbells, drop them down for a quick second. We're gonna come on down to our back. We're just gonna take 1 dumbbell for this one. So go ahead and come onto your back. Perfect, just like that. That dumbbell's gonna come right over that chest level. We're gonna take those legs up, 1 leg down at a time, pressing that low back into the mat. We pick it up in 2 and 1, let's go. Keeping that low back, push into the mat. If you absolutely need to, bend the knees You could take it down here at the same time too. Nice work. If you want a little bit more, take both feet down, back up. You got it. Let's go. Keep those arms up. Keep that head on the floor. Beautiful work. That's it. Stay with me. If you need to break it down, break it down. Keep one leg up that whole time. Nice work, you guys. Woo! Sunny fam, you came here to work today. You got 5 seconds left right here. Come on, all in. Can you do both legs? 2, and take that rest. Beautiful. We have 20 seconds to recover. All right, then we're gonna go right into that next movement. So come on up. We're gonna take a lateral lunge to a bicep curl, grabbing both of those dumbbells. Perfect. Lateral lunge over to the right side. Push that booty back. We pick it up. 2, and 1. Let's go. Push the booty back. Nice bicep curl. Down and in, alternating sides. Push the hips back. Bicep curl. Down. Yes. That's it. Chest stays nice and proud. Front knee behind those toes. How you feeling? Looking good. You got it. Come on. Right here with you. Halfway through this set. Take it over. That's it. Beautiful. Come on. Take it over. Last 10 right here. Nice work, you guys. Looking so good. That's it. Come on. Take it over. 2, and take that rest. Perfect job. Last exercise here. We're gonna take that plank and add a little dumbbell pull. So go ahead and come into that plank position. Beautiful. We're gonna pull that dumbbell from side to side. I'll lead you through it. All right, my loves, come on into that plank position. Take that dumbbell right underneath that chest level. We pull in 2, and 1. Take it over to the side. Other way. Try not to let that hip lift. That's it. Whoop, if it gets a little stuck on your mat, that's okay. Take it over. Perfect. Can you keep those shoulders right over those wrists? Nice work. We're here for quite some time. You got it. We're halfway through the set. Beautiful work, you guys. Keep that core nice and tight. Don't let that booty come up or too low. You got it right there in the middle. Perfect. Nice work. Last 10 seconds. I'm right here with you. Come on. Pulling it over. This is that last exercise. We go back to the top for that second round. Coming up in 2, and 1. Drop it down. How you feeling? Nice and sweaty? Go ahead and towel off if you need to. My loves, we head back to that first movement, going back to those RDLs, to those rows. Towel off, grab a quick sip of water. Meet me back here in 5 seconds for those RDLs to those rows. In 3, let's go. 2, pick those dumbbells up, right into it. Push the hips back, squeeze the booty up. Hips back, nice deep row. That's it, perfect. Come on. Inhale, exhale. Take it back, nice big row. Take it up, keep that spine neutral. Back, row, down, squeeze, down, yes. Let's go. Last 5 seconds right here. Take your time. We do want to start to build that intensity, whether that means going a little quicker, whether that means adding a little pause at the top. Last 2, and 1, take that rest. All right, my loves, next movement, we're gonna take those dumbbells right to those shoulders, big overhead press. In 3, 2, and 1, let's go. Take it down, press it up. Yes, start to utilize that breath. Big inhale, big exhale. So it's amazing how much we can accomplish in only 15 minutes. That's it. If at any time you need to drop those dumbbells to lighter, go for it. Try to challenge yourself today. Come on. We're here for another 20 seconds. Beautiful work. Can you get a little deeper into that squat? Yeah! Core nice and tight. Woo! Big inhale, big exhale. Let's go. Last 10. Yes. That's it. Last 5. Come on, get in one more rep. And take that rest, recover. All right, you guys, go ahead and drop one of those dumbbells. We come back to that third exercise. Right here, come on down. Those legs come up. Big inhale, big exhale. We pick it back up. In 3, 2, 1 leg at a time. Let's go, take it down, take it up. That's it. So like I've already told you, we're building intensity. Maybe you take both legs down at the same time. Yeah. If you need to drop the arms, drop them. Try to stay in it. Come on. Crushing it. Still breathing, press the low back into the mat. Woo! I hope you're as sweaty as I am. Y'all are absolutely crushing it. Let's go. Maybe you break it down. One leg, and both legs. That's it. Nice work. Last 5 seconds right here. We rest, we recover in 2 and 1. Come on, back up to standing. We go back to that 4th exercise right here. Lateral lunge into that bicep curl. How we feeling? Roll the shoulders back. All right, you guys, we have another 5 seconds to recover. We pick it back up in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Step it over, curl, in, other side. That's it. I know you've already got that perfect form, that perfect posture. Can you start to move side to side a little bit quicker? That's it. Get in that full curl. Push the hips back. We're here for another 20. Nice work. Don't forget to breathe. Big inhale, big exhale. Last 10 seconds. Yes. You can take it a little slower if you need to. All right, my loves, we're here for last 2. And take that rest. All right, go ahead and recover. We come back into that plank position. We're taking one dumbbell underneath that chest, pulling side to side. Finishing out the 2nd round, nice and strong. All right, my loves, we pick it up. Come to that plank position in 3, 2, and 1. Come on, pull it over. Nice work. And you reach and pull a little bit farther this time. That's it. Really getting into that oblique, then nice side twist. If you need to drop it to the knees, go for it. Maybe you switch it up. Come on. Yes, you can. Let that sweat start to drip. Got that beautiful glow going on. Nice work, you guys. Stay with it. Woo! Big inhale, big exhale. This is when we return to that commitment to showing up. You turned it on. You met me. We're here together. You got this. Last 3 seconds right here. Come on, one more pull. 2. Take that rest. Sunny fam, we have one more round. Towel off. Grab some water. Last and final round. 5 minutes to work. We cool it down. We go on with the rest of our day. All right, here we go. Take those dumbbells back up into those hands. RDLs. Pushing the hips back into that row. We pick it up. 2 and 1. Let's go. Booty back. Big squeeze. Back. Nice big row. That's it. I'll turn to the side. You got this. Take your time here. This is that 3rd round. We want to build that intensity. But building that intensity doesn't always mean going faster, right? Maybe you take a little pause right here. Yeah, hold it back a little bit. Nice. Last 10 seconds. Big booty squeeze. Yeah. You got it. Squeeze. Last row. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Recover. If you need a quick towel off, take it. That next movement, we're cruising through it. You take those dumbbells right to the top of the shoulders. Elbows up nice and high. Squat to an overhead press. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Take it down, take it up. Beautiful. Your body's nice and toasty now, so stay with me. Yes, you can. You can do the hard things. Last 3 minutes of this workout. Stay with it. I'm right there with you, dripping that sweat, making those big inhales and those big exhales. All of a sudden, that weight's a lot heavier. Stay with me. Nice work. If you need to drop it, take it to 1. Come on. Big overhead press. That's it. Sink the booty lower. Last 4. Last 3. Come on. 2. And take that rest. Team, come on down. 1 dumbbell in those hands. We go for those leg lowers. Are you still with me? Are you good? All right. We take it up in 3, 2. Arms come up. Drop it down. Let's go 1 leg at a time. Keeping that low back pressed into the mat. That's it. Remembering why we showed up today. And since we showed up, since we decided to show up, we stay committed to that showing up right here. This is for you, no one else but for you right here. Stay with me. Can you drop both legs at the same time? Let's go. See if you can at least get one in. That's it. Nice work. All right, you guys, 5 seconds left. Come on. Last 2. And rest, recover. Woo! We come back up. Lateral lunge into that bicep curl. We're working today. Towel off if you need to. Grab a quick sip of water. Meet me right back on the floor. We pick it up. In 3, 2, cruising through it. Let's go, take it over. Bicep curl. In, other side, come on. Over, curl. That's it. Take it over. Keep breathing through it. Over, curl. Nice work, last 20 seconds here. Come on, we're not coming back to this movement. Stay in it, keep that perfect form. All the way up, all the way down. Push that booty back. I know we're starting to get tired now. Stay committed to it. Come on. Last 5 seconds right here. You got it. Let's get one more each side. 2, finish it strong. And 1. Team, Sunny fam, you, my love, made it to this last and final set right here. One more, last 40 seconds of work. Quick stretch, and we move on. Come on into that plank position. We start in 5 seconds. Come on over. Try to stay in that plank the whole time. If you need to drop the knees, drop the knees. Come on, this is the last 40 seconds of your workout. Let's go in 2 and 1. Pull it over. Nice. Come on. Yes, you can. If you find those shoulders falling forward or back, keep them stacked right over those wrists. If you need to drop the knees, drop the knees. Come on. Yes, you can. That's it. Take it back up. Come on. Come on. So close to that finish line right here. This is the last 15 seconds of your workout. Crushing it. Keep pulling it. Come on. Keep it going. Yes, you can. Right back into it. Let's go. I'm right here with you. Last 3 seconds. 2 and 1. Throw that dumbbell over. You did that. Nice work, you guys. Go ahead and take that child's pose. Push those hips back. Woo! Let it all go. Nice work today. All right, slowly roll it up. Let's go ahead and take it through that Cobra. So nice big dive through. All the way up. Give me a little twist here. You absolutely smashed it. You guys, nice work today. Take it back. Let's take a couple cat-cows. Big inhale. Double inhale at the top. Exhale, let it go. Go ahead and tuck the toes. Chin up towards the ceiling, booty up. Exhale, press the floor away. Yeah, keep breathing. Let the heart rate start to fall a little. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, press it away. One more time, just like that. Nice big press up. Exhale, press it away. Let's go ahead and take that right leg forward. Beautiful, nice big twist here. How you feeling? You absolutely crushed it. It was such a pleasure to work out with you guys today. Go ahead and step it forward. Nice big twist here. Beautiful job. All right, let's take it to that inchworm, or that down dog actually first. So push those hips up, rock through those calves, walk it up just like we did in that inchworm, all the way back up. Last thing that comes up is the head. Roll those shoulders back. Sunny fam, again, my name is Dominique, and I cannot wait to see you at your next workout. Have a great day.